My condolences to anyone who's ever lost me, and to anyone who got lost in me, or to anyone who ever felt they took a loss with me. My apologies for the misunderstanding or the lack thereof. I'm sorry you missed the God in me, and I'm sorry you missed the light.
Oh, I'm cute. If you're back for another one of my videos, that means you're a loyal member of the BAB Squad, which means you've already subscribed and turned on your notification bell. You like, you comment, and you interact with me on social media because we're friends and you're amazing. This Halloween look is my fairy look. So I got this wig from Walmart and I cut it to style it into this cute little curly bob, and I just wanted to bring you guys a super fun, creative Halloween look that definitely took me outside my comfort zone. All these products can be found at Ulta, and I'll be doing a talk through, so if there's any questions that you have, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys really like this look. I had a lot of fun making this one, and I had to style the wig, so I don't know, I'm just really feeling it. I'm actually about to wear this to Teddy's flag football game, but I'll take pictures and post them on Instagram, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you later. Bye. For the first step, I applied Cetaphil moisturizer, nothing special. Usually I use shea butter, but this time that's what I used. After that, I'm using the NYX white base, and I'm going to use that to just cover up my eyebrows. The eyeshadow palette we're going to be using for the eyebrows is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and we're using the purple shade. This concealer is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Now I'm taking this NYX Translucent HD powder just to buff out the top of the brows and to set the eyelids. We're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution blush palette and use this shade under the eyebrows just to give a cute little pink, like hazy little situation going on under the brows. We're going to go in with the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and use the pink shade just to create a very powerful popping pink to go all the way down, like halfway down the bridge of the nose. It's going to be kind of like an eyeshadow color and a contour all at the same time. The next shade we're taking is this fiery red out of the Morphe 3502 palette to deepen the crease and add a little bit more dimension before we cut. To cut the crease, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer in the shade Light Medium. The eyeshadow that I'm using is Milky Way out of the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. The next shade that we're using is Meteor Crush out of the same palette. I chose these two colors because I wanted something that was going to keep the cut crease very creamy, but also something to blend out into the pink. The first step in skin prep today is going to be the Makeup Revolution Priming Oil. After that, I use the NYX Photo Loving Primer. And the foundation today is going to be the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Truffle. Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany, I'm going to make my contour nice and dark. I stopped using this contour shade when I realized I didn't have to contour 5 shades darker than my skin tone. But it was really good for this look because it adds like extra drama and extra shadow to create that really poppin' fairy look. Now we're getting into the fun and creative part of this look. So take the same shade that's on the eyebrows and use it as a contour shade. So on your cheeks, on your temples, and on your forehead. It's so cute. Oh, and also on the nose. I usually never talk about this concealer. We all know what it is. Because this concealer shade is so light, I'm using the foundation brush to go back over it. Now I'm just continuing the contour under my jawline to have that really snatched effect because, you know, as a fairy, you gotta be snatched out here. Now we're going back in with that pink shade out of the Juvia's Place palette just to fade that out to kind of like a blush, I guess. And then we're setting with the Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and mixing it with some of the Makeup Revolution powder in the shade Terracotta. For the highlight, we're going to be using the NYX highlight out of the contour palette. To set everything into place, I used the L'Oreal Pro Matte Powder in the shade and y'all know I can't do nothing without my baby, the Great Lash Mascara, honey. So now we're going to use the green shade out of the NYX Brights palette. I used that under the eye because I thought it was going to give like a very nice like grassy, natural look. Like not exactly natural, like skin tone natural, but out in the forest, you know, where the fairies be at. This product is a new product for me and I love it. It's the Bare Minerals Hydrating Mineral Veil. So what it does is it sets your highlight into place, but it makes you look like wet and dewy and like metallic. Oh my God, it's beautiful. For the top of the eyebrows, we're going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer and this blue like aqua color glitter. Oh, I just loved it. I don't know. I just got the urge to put some glitter on my face and I wanted to do it in an organized way. So this is what I came up with. And I'm going to be using this crystal blue shade in the Fenty Galaxy palette called Cosmic Ocean, just to fade it out and make it look kind of like natural for like a fairy, you know? And I loved it so much that I continued on my cheeks. So you can go ahead and use the same application process and just follow along. For the lips, I'm using the NYX Chrome Gloss in the purple shade. Next, and use some of that NYX spray. And this is pretty much wrapping up the look. Next, you're going to see me pop on my wig, which is from Walmart. If you do go look for it, it is long. I cut it into the bun. So that's it for this Halloween look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do recreate this, definitely tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. And I hope you guys have a happy Halloween. See you in the next one.